are going to revise our second term portions. Do you know we have 4 chapters, okay? And today we will revise each chapter. So first we will start our last chapter. Which is our last chapter? Yes, chapter 11, push and pull. In that chapter, now we can revise the exercise page and one question box also there. So all of you please take your textbook and take the page number 134. Okay. The first section A, choose the correct option. Which of this is an example of pull? Here 4 options are there. The first option, pressing a remote control button. Second option, opening a drawer of a table. C, nailing. D, writing with pencil. In this option, which one is the correct one? Yes, B, opening a drawer of a table. That is an example of pulling. Then the second one, which of the following action do not require force? Watching a movie, writing, throwing a ball, opening the drawer. So in this option, which is the correct one? Yes, watching a movie. Which of the following is not an effect of a force on an object? The first option, change of direction in which the object is moving, making a stationary object move, changing the color of an object, changing the shape of an object. Here the option C, that is the correct option. Okay, changing the color of an object. Fourth question, a coconut falls on the ground from a coconut tree due to which force? Yes, due to the gravitational force. That means option C, gravity is the correct answer. And the fifth one, the force exerted by our muscle is muscular force. Option A is the correct answer. Then the sixth one, the force with which a magnet attracts other substance is called dash force. Which force? Yes, magnetic force. Option A is the correct answer. And the B section, name the following. Using our strength to move an object towards yourself. What is that? Yes, pulling. No? Then second one, the force due to which a magnet pulls a nail towards itself. Which is that force? Magnetic force. Then the third one, a push or pull acting on an object. We can call it force. Then the fourth one, the force due to which a mango falls from the tree. Which is that force? Yes, gravitational force, gravity. And the fifth one, the force that helps you to write. Which is that force? Yes, which is that force? Frictional force. Then the sixth one, moving an object away from us. That is pushing. And here, picture study, page number 135, picture study also there. So all of you please take the page number 135. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. In this picture, we can see a magnet that attracts some nails, no? Yes. So the first question, name the object in the picture. Which is that name? Yes, that object is the magnet. And second one, name the metals that the object will attract. Which are the metal magnet can attract? Yes, nickel and iron. Write down nickel and iron. And the third one, which force is responsible for it? Which is that force acting in magnet? Yes, magnetic force. Then the fourth one, write 2 features of the object A. A means magnet. So write the 2 features, write the 2 characters of this magnet. The first one, a magnet has 2 poles, south pole and north pole. Then the second one, a magnet can attract some metals such as nickel or iron. Okay, so any 2 points you can write. So these are the answers of this page. And the next one is page number 132. There is one question box is given. So all of you look at that question box. Mention the type of force, in the bracket, pull or push, applied in each case. The first one, to close a drawer. In that case, which force is acting there? Yes, close and open, close and drawer means pushing, no? Then the second one, to move a table forward, here also pushing. Then the third one, to draw a chair towards us, that is pulling. Then the fourth one, to kick a football, pushing. And the last one, fifth one, to pick a book from the bookshelf, that is pulling. So these are the answers of this question box. So children, our next chapter is chapter 7, air. So all of you please take the page number 92. Okay, in that page 92, all of you please take the page number 92. In 92 we can see the exercises. Okay, the first one, A section. Choose the correct option. The particles are very loosely packed in option. Which option is? Yes, very loosely packed in gases. Okay, option C is the correct answer. And second one, less polluting fuel. Which is the less polluting fuel? Yes, CNG, option D. Then the third one, the properties of air are, yes, which is the properties of air? Properties of air, air can take places, air has weight, air expands, and the D option, all of this are the properties of air. So answer is all of this. And the fourth one, the gas required for burning. Which is a gas required for burning? Yes, oxygen. So option A is the correct answer. Then the fifth one, the air can be used to inflate balloons. No? So option C is the correct answer. And the sixth one, air pollution is caused by harmful dust, spit, smoke, and option D, all of this. All of this is the correct answer. Okay. And here, write true or false and correct the false statement, B section. The first one, we can see air around us. That option. What is the correct answer? False. We can't see the air. No, we can feel it. So the first answer is false. And how we can correct that statement? We can't we can't see the air, but we can feel it. And the second one, gases do not have a fixed shape. True. Third one, air does not contain smoke and dust particle. That answer is false. Air contains dust particles, smoke, etc. And the fourth one, dirty air is also called polluted air. Answer is true. And fifth one, air pollution destroys the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Fifth also true. Then the sixth one, burning of garbage is necessary. Answer is false. Burning of gas is unnecessary because it leads to air pollution. So the sixth one is false. And the section C, name the following. The gas used by plants in photosynthesis. That answer is carbon dioxide. Then the second one, the state in which the particles are tightly packed. Which is that state? Solid state. And the third one, tiny living organism present in air that often causes diseases. Answer is germs. And the fourth one, insect breathe through their spiracles. Okay. Then fifth one, moving air is also known as wind. Then the last sixth one, the addition of harmful substance to air because of the human activity we can call air pollution. Okay. Then here also picture study is given, page number 93. So all of you please look at the picture study. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Okay. First one, what do you observe in the picture? What we can see? Yes, in this picture we can see a glass jar. In that glass jar water is there and one glass is, yes, it immersed or sink into this glass jar. So what we can see? Yes, air bubbles are coming. No, air bubbles are coming from this glass. So question A, what do you observe in the picture? In this picture, we can see air bubbles are coming from this glass. And what does it prove? Question number B. What does it prove? It proves that air needs space. That means air fills up space. That is a statement. Okay. This statement we can prove with this experiment. Okay. So all of you write down, air fills up space. And the second question, picture study, second one, observe the given activity and write the aim for performing this activity. Here in this picture we can see a candle. First candle is a lighted one, and the second picture the light goes out. No? So in this experiment we understood that air also needed for burning. Okay. So here you can write down air also needed for burning. Okay, so my dear children, now we can go to our third chapter. Third chapter is Adaptation in Plants, chapter 5. Okay, all of you please take the page number 69. Okay, here the exercise. The first section, choose the correct option. Where will you find a pine tree? A pine tree we can find in, yes, mountains. Okay. And second question, which of the following is a feature of mangrove plants? We know that mangrove plants breathing roots, no? So option B, give out roots above the soil. And the third one, which of the following is a feature of cactus? Cactus feature is, yes, has spines and thorns. Cactus feature is have spines and thorns. Option B is the correct answer. And the fourth one, floating plants. Floating plants means that float on water. That is the option. And B section, write true or false and correct the false statement. The first one, mango and ashoka trees grow in the area with a low rainfall. Answer is true. And second one, acacia grows in desert. Answer is true. And the third one, leaves of fixed aquatic plants have stomata only on the upper surface. We studied that in fixed plants, there is stomata is present only upper surface. Okay, so answer is true. And the fourth one, Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. Answer is also true. So in this option, I think all the answers are true. And the C section, match the following. Column 1, terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plant. Which are the terrestrial plants? Yes, neem. Neem is an example of terrestrial plant. And second one, breathing root. Breathing root we can see in mangrove plants. No? So option mangrove plant. And the third one, plant that grow under the surface of water. Yes, which one is that? Tape grass. Then the fourth one, waxy coating on leaves. Yes, water lily. We can see the waxy coating in this water lily's leaves. No? Yes. Then the fifth one, insectivorous plant. Which are the insectivorous plants? Yes, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. Here, pitcher plant is given. So, answer is pitcher plant. And all of you please take the page number 70. There is picture study also there. All of you please take the page number 70. Pictures of certain plants are shown below along with their jumbled up names. Identify the plants and unjumble the labels. Here the first picture is, yes, pine tree. No? So write down pine tree. And the second one, mango tree. Then the third one, lotus plant, and the last one, tape grass. Okay, so these are the 4 plants. And the second question is, a picture of a plant is shown alongside. Identify it and answer the following question. See in this picture, which plant is this one? Yes, this is a picture of cactus plant. So first question is, name the plant. Here you can write down cactus plant. And B, where does it grow? We know that cactus plant grows in Desert. Write down desert. And the C, write an important feature of its habit. We know that cactus plant have spines and thorns. Instead of leaves, they have spines and thorns. And the D, does it possess leaves? If not, why? We cannot see. We can't see any leaves in this cactus plant because this cactus plants reduce their leaves because of the reduction of this transpiration. If there is leaves evaporate or leaves remove water. So reducing the transpiration or avoiding the transpiration, cactus plant have no leaves. Instead of leaves, they have spines and thorns. And last one, which special feature is present on this plant? We know that this plant stem is green in color. Chlorophyll is present in this stem, and the stem performs the photosynthesis. Okay, stem prepare food for the plant. Now all of you please take our last chapter's exercise page. Our last chapter is chapter 1, human body, food we eat. That is the last chapter. So all of you please take the exercise page number 22. Okay, this is the last chapter, and in this exercise, first section, choose the correct option. The function of food is, yes, all this: give us strength to work and play, help us to grow, help us to remain healthy and strong. And option D is all of this. So answer is all of this. Second one, energy giving nutrients are carbohydrate and fats. Then the third one, minerals that are required by our body. All these minerals required. So option all of this. And the fourth question, food rich in vitamin A. Carrot, sweet potato, egg. Carrot, sweet potato, egg. So, and last option, all of this. All of this is the correct answer. And the fifth question, a method of food preservation in which fruits and vegetables are mixed with salt and oil. Here, the option is pickling. That is the correct one. Option C is the correct answer. And the B section, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Dash is a rich source of fat. Which is a rich source of fat? Oil. Then the second question, egg is a rich source of dash. Egg is a rich source of protein. Then the third one, roughage dash digest by our body. Roughage cannot be digested by our body. Fourth one, cooked food should be dash covered. Okay, last one, mango is preserved by dash pickling. Okay, C section, name the following. The first question, the substance needed for energy, health and proper growth of our body is nutrients. That substance we can call nutrients. Then second one, foods that are rich source of protein, we can call body building food. And the third one, a diet contain all the nutrients in the right amount along with the roughage and water is balanced diet. Fourth one, the method of food preservation in which water is removed from the food, drying. And the last question, foods rich in vitamins and minerals are protective food. We can call protective food. Okay. So these are the exercise questions, and here also one picture study is given. See, in this picture we can see eggs, and we know that eggs contains rich amount of protein. So write the major nutrients present in eggs, proteins. And the next one is the butter. Major nutrient present in butter, yes, fat. Okay. Then the next one is the fruit. Many fruits are there. So write the fruits name, and here you can write down vitamins and minerals. Major nutrients present in fruits are vitamins and minerals. Then in a plate we can see slices of bread. So write down bread And the major nutrient present in bread, carbohydrate. And in a bowl we can see cornflakes. So you can write the cornflakes, and the major nutrient present in cornflakes is, yes, carbohydrate. And there is one jelly. We can see vitamins and minerals. Dear children, I hope all of them got all the answers, and question box answers also given today. So you can do and fill up all the answers and study well, my dears. Next week onwards our exam will start. I hope all of them started their revision. Anyway, all the best for your second term exam. Thank you, children.